Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to install critical updates on your Apple iPhone. Before I begin, hit that like button, press that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. If you are new to the channel, I do a lot of technology how-tos, guides, tutorials, anything that can help you with technology. If it's laptops, tablets, phones, whatever the case may be, I'm here to make tutorials and help you guys. So with that being said, let's just jump in today's video on how to update your Apple iPhone. So updates are important. I don't have to tell you that. Always keep your phone or any device updated if it's a tablet, computer, anything like that. So on your Apple iPhone, it's pretty easy. How to do it, I'm going to show you how to do it manually. And I'm going to also show you how to set it up so it can be automatic as well. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to turn on Air Server so you can follow along with your iPhone, what I'm doing. Alright, so here we are. We're on my home page of my iPhone. You're going to click on the settings gear right here. Don't mind the barking. Then you're going to go and click on General right here. And you're going to click on Software Update, second one down. So it's going to check for an update. My phone is good. It just updated yesterday. So you'll see it, your software is up to date. If it is up to date, it may say, one update pending, tell you what it's about, and you're just going to hit on, run the update, install update, whatever it is. And let it do its thing. It may be a short period of time, maybe a long period of time. However long it takes, just hit yes. Please update. Your phone's going to reboot, and you guys will be good to go. So this was just a quick video on how to update your Apple iPhone. I know a lot of people know how to do this, but some people don't. I know I get a lot of questions on when should I check for updates. Maybe check once a couple weeks or once a month. If I go back into settings and then general and then software update, you see that I have automatic updates on. If you click on that and just toggle this over to where you see green, means you'll receive the update overnight and you will receive a notification that updates are ready to be installed. So if you want that, just keep the automatic updates on and you'll be all set. So just gonna exit out of screen mirror AirPlay here. So that's it, guys. That was just a quick video on how to update your Apple iPhone, manual or do it automatic. Hopefully it helped. Give it a like. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you guys can think of anything, tutorials you may want to learn, drop it down in the comment section below and I'll make a video on it. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.